This is Nigerian fish stew. Today I share with you how to prepare fish stew in Nigeria. I'll also be sharing with you Nigerian stew ingredients as well as the two different types of fish stews that we have in Nigeria. But first, here I have my basket filled with some tomatoes, onions, Scotch bonnet pepper and cayenne pepper. I'll proceed to blend all of this to a smooth paste to get them ready for cooking. The fish I'll be using for this recipe is mackerel fish, and I'll start by salting the mackerel fish. After adding salt, I'll toss the fish up and down for a while to ensure that the salt coats all the fishes in the basket. I'll set this aside and it's time to fry. Into my frying pan, I'll add some oil. Once the oil is hot enough, I'll start to add my fishes into the hot oil. The idea here is to fry the fishes to a lovely shade of golden brown, but you have to be careful not to burn your fish. So as this video continues, remember I said I'll show or explain the two different types of fish stew that we have. For fish stew, we have fresh fish stew and we have dried fish stew. As you can see, the fishes are already properly fried and it's time to take them out of the cooking oil. After I remove the fishes, then I'll go properly into cooking the Nigerian fish stew. Now for cooking Nigerian fish stew, it's not hard, it's easy and it's straightforward, and let me show you. Into this pot, I'll add the oil I used to fry the fishes earlier because you have to incorporate the fish flavor into the oil. The next thing I will do is to add sliced onions. I'll be frying the sliced onions for about 1 minute on medium heat. If you've watched this video to this point, thank you very much for visiting my channel and watching my videos. And I'd like to say, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Now you may be wondering, why should I subscribe to this channel? Yes, this is a Nigerian food cooking channel where I post a lot of Nigerian dishes and how to prepare them. So if you are interested in watching Nigerian food videos, you're interested in African cooking, you're in the right place. Now I'm simply mixing the onions in the hot oil to see what I have, and it's properly fried. So I'll proceed to add the blended pepper, tomato and onion mix. After adding all of that, I'll add some salt, some seasoning. I'll also be adding crayfish powder, because what is fish stew without crayfish powder? I'll mix all of this very well, and the next thing I will do is very simple. I'll cover this pot and allow this sauce to cook for 15 minutes, or to cook till the oil floats on the top or on top of the sauce. As you can see here, you can see the oil floating. Yes, that means that the tomato mix is ready for the fishes. Now I'm simply adding the fishes, and then after I add the fishes, I'll stir or mix lightly. Why? Because I don't want the fishes to crumble. After mixing, I'll cover the pot and I'll cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. After 10 minutes, this is what my Nigerian fish stew looks like. So what is the difference between fresh fish Nigerian stew and dried fish Nigerian stew? Fresh fish Nigerian stew is just like the one I just cooked. It makes use of fresh fishes like tilapia, croaker, mackerel, hake, any fresh fish of your choice, while dry fish Nigerian stew makes use of dried fishes like dried catfish, dried tilapia, any dried fish of your choice. Thank you for watching.